There is no point making the mistakes that have been made in the past, mistakes that other people have made. We shouldn't make those mistakes. And I'll tell you, when we first moved to the UK, because I ask a lot of questions, didn't want to make mistakes, so I had a number of people I was always speaking with. And to be honest, at some point, the information became conflicting. And that's also because people respond based on their own financial situation, their family's financial situation. So when you hear this conflicting information, it is not meant to confuse you. Just understand that people are they're viewing it from different lenses. So I wanted a community at that time, a community of immigrants, and I didn't find any that was focused on finances. So I built one. I created World Quotas and basically brought together immigrants. And we also have people that are residents in their home country that are even part of us. Because like I always say, the language of money is universal. Save, invest, avoid high interest debts. It's universal. Very few nuances, but it's generally universal. And the testimonials that I have gotten from people, from members, have been amazing. Let me share some with you.
So I came across World Cutters through my friend. A friend of mine was a member, and she introduced me to World Cutters, and that was the way I joined World Cutters. My journey so far in World Cutters have been marvelous. I've learned new things. I've understand finances much better, especially investing. It's giving me clarity on how to invest. So since I have joined World Cutters, I have saved consistently, not just saved, but I have invested consistently. I really appreciate, but without this community, I wouldn't have been able to do that at all. So thank you to World Cutters.
I've been a friend with Adebola since a long time, and I've been a fan of everything she does. When I moved to the UK, we reconnected, and then she told me about investing and savings. Before I know about savings, I don't save like that because I love spending. I joined the World Cutters. I have been more prudent and I intentionally save. Then about investments, I am so proud of myself. I've done investment for the whole year without defaulting, and thanks to World Cutters.
I found out about World Cutters. I think it was Go Cutters that I saw on YouTube, and I'm like, oh, I know this lady. She's from my secondary school, and I so much believe in her from secondary school because she was one of the best students, and I know that yes, whatever she put out there is genuine. I think I came across Trading 212, but I didn't really understand it. But with World Cutters, as in she really made everything easy. So I think that was it anyway.
Yes, I was just browsing on the internet and I just saw your YouTube. I click on it and I start watching. So that's how I got hooked to it. I don't know nothing about investing. I've never invested before in my life. When I joined the World Cutters, you show me step by step. I can invest now and I save now. So it's just a month now. I've been investing and saving as well.
I once registered for a masterclass. I attended the masterclass and started getting emails from the subscription. And then I heard through the emails that there was a group, a community called Wealth Cutters, and signed up. It's been incredible. Just being in the community of like-minded people, vibrant community, getting information on things that they felt like complicated, things like ISAs and, what have you, investing and saving. Being part of that community has made it easy for me to learn more about personal finance.
I think generally it was good to hear these things because it just shows that people want to do better. If we have the right information, most people just want to write better. They just want to make sense of their finances. The challenge is that we were not taught these things in school. The challenge is that we wing it. We just wing it. Very few of us got that exposure to financial literacy very early. Very, very few of us. I, for example, I had to learn as an adult. And that's why we owe it to our children to teach them these things so that they are financially smarter than us. We met in December. And oh dear, we took a lot of pictures. We were just so happy seeing each other. Most of us were seeing each other for the first time. And for some of us, we were seeing, each other after a very long time. So it was really good. Connecting with people, we discussed our finances, our goals, what do we want to achieve in 2026 and beyond.
The correct goal
rather than a wish list. You're asking yourself, why do I need it? Why is this thing important to me? When do I need it? You have to put a time frame. This is my invitation to you, irrespective of where you're residing, irrespective of your age. I particularly like that we have people in the community that are very much older than me, but they're happy to learn from me, from other members. That gives a lot of comfort. And that says that it is never too late to start, irrespective of your age, irrespective of where you're resident, irrespective of your gender, irrespective of anything. If you want a community that continues to learn how to achieve the financial freedom, we are all on a journey. We're just making one smart financial decision every day. Then you should check out World Quarters. I'll put the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out and join us. And I look forward to connecting with you at your onboarding call.